All right, everyone, let's get ready to begin. Everyone will be participating. I will be getting your answers as you answer them. Let's take a look at our vocabulary for today. In our geometry unit, we have complementary angles. All right, these are two angles. They're complementary because they add up to be 90 degrees or a right angle. We have supplementary angles. These are two angles, and they're called supplementary because they add up to be 180 degrees. That's a little tricky to remember. You can think of C, complementary, stands for the corner, like at a right angle has a corner. The S you can think of for straight, because you'll see in a moment 180 degrees is our straight line. Let's first take a look at the right angle. Quick review. A right angle you can see on the protractor here is a 90-degree angle. Let's review that. And here are some examples to review of right angles. Always remember these two lines come together at a right angle and they're perpendicular. You'll have this nice square in the middle to remind you that it is a perfect right angle. Complementary angles. All right. Again, they're two angles that you can put them together to form a right angle. In order to form that right angle, they need to equal 90 degrees. 58 degrees is this angle, plus 32 degrees makes 90 degrees. Complementary angles also do not have to be stuck together, okay, as long as they still equal 90 degrees. They're complementary. 27 degrees from this angle right here, plus the 63-degree angle makes 90 degrees. Remember now, as we're searching for a missing angle, let's use subtraction. And I'll show you how we'll do this. There we go. All right, take a look here. Watch me as I demonstrate. We're going to find the missing degree for angle A right here. All right, so far we do recognize this is a square right here, so this is a 90-degree angle. And right here, this part of this angle is already telling us that it's 65 degrees. So if we have a 90-degree angle and we subtract 65 degrees from it, then we'll find that missing angle of 25 degrees. And that's what the letter A angle is, 25 degrees. Take a look down here at the yellow arrow. Take a look at this angle. We have 49 degrees already noted right here. We need to find the missing angle, letter A. Again, it's a 90-degree angle. We can subtract 49 degrees from 90. All right, 90 minus 49 makes 41 degrees. Let's take a look here. Actually, it's your turn to try this. I want you to use your pulling. Here we go. Again, you're finding the missing angle A. All right, looking at number one, you have 67 degrees given to you. What is the missing piece right here, letter A? Go ahead and calculate that, please. All right, let's take a look. If it's a 90-degree angle, which it is, you are going to subtract 90 minus 67. The missing angle A is 23 degrees. All right, now it's your turn to try number two. You're given part of this angle as 31 degrees. What is the missing part of this angle? Letter A here. Go ahead and answer that. Again, it's a 90-degree angle altogether, so you're going to take 90 degrees minus the 31 degrees to find that missing angle of 59 degrees. Nice job. Let's take a look at supplementary angles. All right, this is the one that's a straight line. Right here is a 180-degree. Yes, it's called an angle, but it is a line also, right? So all the way around equals a total of 180 degrees. Here's an example. If it is 150 degrees to get this far, the rest of it's 30 degrees to give you a total of 180 degrees. Angles on one side of a straight line always add up to 180 degrees. Let's take a look at another example. These two angles, they share a vertex right here and a side to form the line. Two angles that can be pasted together to form a straight line of 180 degrees. 139 degrees plus 41 degrees equals 180 degrees. Again, here's another look at it. This time the angles are not pasted together, but they are still supplementary because the sum of their measures, 139 degrees plus 41 degrees, gives you 180 degrees. So it makes that supplementary angles. All right, let's practice this. Again, I'm using subtraction to find a missing angle. What is the missing degree for angle A? Again, I'm going to use subtraction because we do know that 45 degrees is the amount right here. But what's the other angle? Angle A. Well, angle A is 180 degrees minus what we're given, 45 degrees, and it gives me a total of 135 degrees of the missing letter A angle. All right, take a look. I'm going to demonstrate again. I'm going to use subtraction to find my missing angle. Watch me as I find the missing angle for A. All right, looks like I'm given up here at the top 60 degrees so far, and I need to find this big angle right here, the A that's missing. I'm going to remember that this is 180 degrees all the way across the bottom, so 180 degrees minus the given 60 degrees makes 120 degrees. All right, take your eyes down to the bottom. All right, I am given 92 degrees. I need to find the missing A, and I do know that straight across the bottom here makes a total of 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 degrees minus the given angle of 92, and it gives me 88 degrees total for my missing angle A. Your turn. What's the missing degree for angle A in number 1? Use your pulling, please. All right, there we go. There is your answer. 180 degrees minus 151 degrees gives you the missing piece of 29 degrees. Take your eyes down to number 2 with me, please. Take a look at this angle. You're given 28 degrees. What's the missing degree for angle A? Go ahead and figure this one out. Oops. All right. At this moment, please, sorry I went so fast at the bottom there, give me a green check. When you're done, you've listened to my Ed puzzle, you've responded to all the questions. Give me a green check in the chat box, and I will be right with you.